Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Foot Reflexology explained benefits and practice. Foot reflexology is a form of massage therapy that involves applying pressure to specific points on the foot. Part of traditional Chinese medicine, this practice of working pressure points on the foot is meant to provide internal balance and improve overall health. /r/n/r/n Proponents say that this therapy helps to reduce back pain and headaches. It's also used to ease symptoms related to chronic conditions such as asthma, neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, and more. /r/n/r/nMedicalRFcom, Getty ImagesrnrnrnMore. Medical professionals are accepting the possible benefits of reflexology. While research over the past 30 years has reported limited positive impacts on mood, fatigue, and pain control, well-designed randomized controlled trials are needed to clarify if and how this therapy may be effective in other ways. /r/n/r/n In the meantime, reflexology is accepted by some healthcare professionals as a complementary therapy that may contribute to a feeling of overall wellness. /r/n/r/n Reflexology is a form of massage therapy centered around the idea that pressure points in the feet are directly connected to other specific body parts, including organs. It's believed that when pressure is applied to these points, the health of the area of the body that corresponds to each point is affected. /r/n/r/n There are several theories surrounding reflexology and how it might work. They center mainly on how energy communicates freely within the body through electromagnetic fields. /r/n/r/n One theory proposes that sometimes energy can become blocked and foot reflexology can clear the path for better communication between the organs and the rest of the body's energy fields. /r/n/r/n Another theory maintains that putting pressure on points in the foot during reflexology can help break up lactic acid crystals that stop energy flow. /r/n/r/n While a therapist will apply pressure to areas of your foot, reflexology should not hurt. You may feel some discomfort, and after a session, it isn't unusual to feel tired, nauseous, or emotionally sensitive. These sensations should pass soon. If you do feel any pain related to the treatment, though, stop your session. /r/n/r/n According to research, several health disorders can be positively affected by foot reflexology. /r/n/r/n Proponents of this ancient traditional therapy claim that reflexology can help with conditions that include /r/n/r/n While reflexology alone may not be able to eliminate all pain, some studies do show that it is effective in helping reduce discomfort. One study shows that reflexology reduced back pain by about 31%. /r/n/r/n One theory as to why this therapy is effective is related to endorphins, pain-relieving chemicals naturally produced by the body. According to practitioners, these chemicals are said during a reflexology session, flooding your body with a substance that heals injuries and calms internal systems. /r/n/r/n Stress is a risk factor associated with many diseases and illnesses. People with high stress levels are much more likely to become sick at some point in their lives. /r/n/r/n Reflexology has been shown to decrease everyday stress significantly, which could contribute to a reduced risk of developing certain diseases. /r/n/r/n Reflexologists claim that applying pressure to specific reflex points on the feet stimulates the digestive system, helping clear blockages in the colon, removing toxins, and improving blood flow, which aids digestive function. /r/n/r/n Some researchers have seen a connection between reflexology and improvements in constipation. However, these studies have been small and are not definitively conclusive. More research is needed. /r/n/r/n Foot reflexology has shown great promise in treating sleep disturbance and improving the quality of sleep in adults. Studies have shown that people who receive reflexology are less likely to have sleep problems. This may make foot reflexology a good alternative to sleep aid medication. /r/n/r/n complications from diabetes mellitus can lead to a condition known as diabetes foot. Related to nerve damage caused by the disease, diabetes foot can cause foot ulcers and infections. It can be difficult to manage in some cases. /r/n/r/n foot reflexology has been shown to ease some of the symptoms of diabetes foot. The skin and hair were healthier and blood flow was improved in people who underwent reflexology sessions. /r/n/r/n The full benefits and how best to use foot reflexology is still being studied, and more research is needed to understand how the therapy can benefit people with diabetes at various stages of the disease. /r/n/r/n According to foot reflexology advocates, several points in the foot play a role in the health of an organ or system elsewhere in the body. /r/n/r/n The various pressure points on the foot, from the top of the toes to the ankle, are thought to affect health in areas such as /r/n/r/n According to research, many people experience positive changes after participating in pressure point therapy and foot reflexology, and there could be more to pressure points than traditional medicine has yet to discover. /r/n/r/n The process of reflexology involves putting massage-like pressure onto specific points in the foot. Typically, there is no pain during the process, and people feel like they are getting a foot massage. /r/n/r/n A reflexologist will use their thumb or finger to apply pressure and make micro-movements over the pressure points. Reflexologists will use these specific movements to help improve blood circulation and energy flow within the body. /r/n/r/n During a session, additional forms of relaxation may be employed to improve the experience, such as calming music and aromatherapy. /r/n/r/n There are no specific recommendations for how often or how long reflexology should be performed to achieve the desired results. /r/n/r/n The effectiveness and suggested course of treatment depend on individual circumstances. However, in studies, the following protocols were successful for certain situations. /r/n/r/n Some people may not be good candidates for foot reflexology because they may experience adverse effects. /r/n/r/n Certain people should avoid the practice until speaking with a medical provider, including /r/n/r/n Foot reflexology is designed to stimulate energy and blood flow in the body. In people with certain health conditions, overstimulation could worsen symptoms or cause adverse and unwanted side effects. /r/n/r/n However, some research suggests that symptoms associated with cancer treatment, such as pain or vomiting, can be helped with foot reflexology. /r/n/r/n There is not much you need to do before a foot reflexology appointment if you have been approved for the therapy by your healthcare provider. /r/n/r/n During the session, you will be asked to remove your socks and shoes and get comfortable on a massage table or chair. The reflexologist will apply pressure to your feet to warm them up before pushing on specific pressure points. /r/n/r/n There are particular reflexology techniques used to massage the pressure points, such as /r/n/r/n There isn't much of a recovery time needed following foot reflexology. However, some after effects can occur, including /r/n/r/n These after effects are temporary and can last 1 to 2 days following your session. /r/n/r/n If you are interested in foot reflexology, speak with your healthcare provider to find out if it may be right for you. /r/n/r/n While foot reflexology and massage do have some similarities, they differ in their goals and techniques. With massage, the therapist is working on soft tissue in an effort to relax and support muscles. Often, foot massages will target specific issues related to tense muscles such as discomfort due to plantar fasciitis or overuse. /r/n/r/n. Unlike massage therapists, a reflexologist is not needing soft tissue or focused solely on helping muscles recover or relax. Instead, movements consist of firm pressure without rubbing or kneading, and the goal is to restore balance to the entire body. /r/n/r/n. Foot massage uses focused and diffused pressure to loosen and realign tendons, muscles, and fascia. The goal is to improve circulation and promote relaxation. Foot reflexology uses precise manipulation of mapped pressure points in an attempt to stimulate health effects in other parts of the body. /r/n/r/n. Foot reflexology is a complementary or alternative therapy designed to free up energy communication in the body. The practice is thought to help those who develop specific ailments due to energy blockages. /r/n/r/n. The process works by applying pressure to particular points in the foot that correspond to organs and other body systems. The pressure is supposed to free up energy blockages and provide relief. While more research surrounding the practice is needed, it can be helpful for some people. /r/n/r/n, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.